I lost 10 kilos in just 5 months. Here's my before and after. No workout, no strict diet, at no calorie counting. So how did I do it? Watch this video hanggang dulo. Ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano nga ang aking sexy hack ng walang kahirap-hirap in a sustainable way. Maraming nagtatanong about sa sexy hack na ginagamit ko kung paano ako pumayat. Dahil sa dalawang products na to, I lost 10 kilos in just 5 months. This is specialty at fiber matrix. Walang calorie counting, walang meal plan, walang intense workout, pero tuloy-tuloy ang resulta. Grabe kasi yung naging effect. Sobrang gumaan yung pakiramdam ko, mas kontrolado ang cravings ko, at mas stable yung energy ko buong araw. At hindi lang ako ha, marami na ring user ang nag-transform because of these two amazing product. Here are some of my besties na naging user at distributor na ngayon. Look at their transformation. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Kaya naman kung matagal mo nang gustong itry at gusto mo rin munang makita kung effective ba sa'yo ang two amazing products na to, sakto because we have trial packs available on hand. Meron tayong available na 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, at 20 days. Perfect to kung gusto mo munang itry bago kayo mag-commit to a full 30-day set. Ilalagay ko ang code sa screen for each trial pack. By the way, 2 flavors ang ating tea, available in lemon ginger at lemon. Sa ating fiber naman, available in orange flavor. Sobrang sarap ito, bestie. Promise. Ang need nyo lang is send me a DM at itatype nyo lang ang right code na nakikita nyo dyan sa screen. Automatic makaka-receive kayo ng invoice ng orders mo. At kung curious ka na rin kung paano nakatulong tong 2 products sa weight loss journey ko, at gustong-gusto mo nang simulan ang own transformation mo, comment trial and I will help you to get started.